all in my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you need, no. Plenty bitchin', whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a seed, no. Switch and keep it pimpin' every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick, man.
Hey, what's going on, YouTube? And welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most amazing blackberry and lemon tea. So the first thing you want to do is get you 14 blackberries, and yeah, I did count those, so that's 14 blackberries, and then some organic agave in the rye. Organic agave in the raw. Sorry about that. And then you're gonna put about 2 tablespoons of the agave over those blackberries, and then we're gonna begin to prep our lemon. Now our lemon, you want to cut it in half, and then one half you want to take all of the zest and the pith off of it, because we're going to add this into our tea. If you leave some of that zest in there, some of those oils will begin to make the tea bitter, so you want just straight lemon fruit. And you don't have to take the seeds out, because we're going to use a classic French press today, and they'll make sure no seeds get into the mix. So you're going to take and muddle those blackberries and that lemon and that agave, and you just want to make this paste with it. And then we got some Bonita peach herbal tea, and I'm just using like a teaspoon of that tea. You really don't have to use tea and just make this an herbal infusion, but if you want to spike it up a little bit, just add your little tea, your favorite tea. You don't have to necessarily add the tea that I added. And then you're gonna take that puree that you just made out of the blackberries, the lemon, and the tea. You're gonna pop it directly into the bottom of a French press. Now you can do this without a French press. You can actually put all this into a coffee strainer, but if you had a French press, it'd be a lot easier. And then you're gonna take some water, and this water is 190 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the proper temperature for steeping this tea that I actually used, 190 degrees. And we're gonna let this steep. And I steeped it for about 10 minutes. You could go a little longer because it's not going to get bitter with time, especially with the agave and the fruit. But 10 minutes will make this thing really beautiful. And I'm just doing this for the dramatic purposes. So you get to see all the blackberry seeds and the lemon pulp along with the tea and that French press, and then we're going to press it all the way down after 10 minutes and just smash everything at the bottom. And you see some of the tea kind of came up a little bit. For that, we're going to use a strainer before we pop it into our tea mug. And there you see the strainer there, just to catch anything that made a rose to the top. But look at that. And that color of this blackberry tea is so awesome, man. This blackberry tea is like really awesome. I'm telling you, this is the perfect wintertime drink. It kind of gives you some of those summer vibes with the citrus and the blackberry, but the warmth of it give you those winter vibes. And this is the perfect tea for a nightcap in the wintertime. One, thank you guys for checking this video out. Very simple recipe. Today I just wanted to give you guys a simple drink, especially since I had you for 11 minutes last week. So a 4-minute video was pretty cool. And this video is 444. Shout out to Jay-Z with the 444. But one, thank you guys for checking this video out. The most amazing, the most incredible blackberry and lemon tea from the Bistro. Look at those blackberries and that lemon. Just visually, this thing just looks amazing. Giving you all kind of angles. But yeah, thank you guys for checking this video out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, and welcome to the Bistro. Thank you guys for checking this video out. Blackberry lemon tea from the Bistro. I'm out.